Hello guys, good evening. So in this video I'm gonna prepare the system for the Ultimatum 2.0 that, by the way, arrived in Dubai. There we go. You probably seen already the unboxing video, very quick unboxing video, and I'm gonna start to work on it very soon. This is a real extra for my friend that I need to change the power box and install a Cortex Pro. Anyway, going back to the video. So what do we have here? We have a central box 220. The system I'm using first of all is a Jeti system. I'm using a DS24, and let's see if I can get everything in the video. DS24, central box 220, 2 RSAT as receivers, 1 RC switch for remote switching on of the aircraft. There we go. And that's it for this video. We need some cable looms, JR. There we go. And servo to show that everything is working. And we need also a binding plug, very important, binding plug. Okay, so the first thing, we have to bind the RC switch. To bind the RC switch, what we have to do? You need to insert the binding plug in the port where is written external USB. Very simple. Then you insert the battery. Just check the polarity. Let's see, let's take down the camera. Check the polarity. Okay, insert the battery. There we go. You see that it start to flash. Then on the DS24, from the beginning, menu, model, device explorer, RC switch. Now the RC switch is already on. You press on the RC switch, it's enable, pair RC switch. There we go, pair RC switch. Okay. We can then remove the battery, get the RC switch on the control. There we go. And insert it in the central box 220, as I show you here, where there is written RC switch. That's it. There we go. Then what we do next? The RC switch is done. Then we need to bind the RSAT. To bind the RSAT, same thing. Okay, connecting the binding plug on the XT. Okay, and then battery. And before to connect the battery, actually we go to the menu. Menu, advanced properties, wireless mode, and we select mode that is double path. Okay, and pair primary receiver. Pair primary receiver. Once that is done, okay, pair primary receiver, we connect the battery, check the polarity. There we go. The battery is in. We'll go here again on the radio. Pair primary receiver is asking, unregistered RX model detected. Really use this receiver? Yes. Once that is done, the receiver, disconnect the binding plug, disconnect the battery. Okay, cancel all the wording from the radio, and you're gonna write on this one, very important to write on your receiver, that is the primary receiver. Right here, number 1, very important. Okay, I will explain you that later on. Number 1. Now we take the second one. It's for sure it's going to be the second one, so we write number 2 here. Okay, number 2, same thing. Go to the menu, advanced properties, wireless mode trainer, second receiver. Okay, second receiver. Then on the XT, battery, There you go. Okay. And we press on pair. Already use this receiver. Again here. And press yes. Once that is done, go back to the receiver, remove the binding plug, remove the battery, cancel all the warning, clear. Once that is done, we need other two binding plug that you're gonna put on the, you're gonna insert on the XT plug, on the number 1, and on the number 1, sorry guys, my videos, I'm trying to understand how to make this video and it's all new, so please bear with me. There is a plug with R1. That's very important that you remember and you write on your receiver which one is the number 1, so you can plug it later on without confusion on the right pin, in the right pin in the CB220. So the number 1 is there. Then second cable lead, again EXT port on the receiver, and now we go on the R2 in the CB220. R2 in the CB220. Make sure you get the pin correctly. It's done. Now the two receivers they are bounded. Now let's see if they're gonna be seen from the radio. I'm gonna connect a battery in one of the two ports. Battery is on, and that's it. The receiver are bound. The RC switch is connected as well. I assigned this switch. For me, it's very practical. So let's see. The RC switch doesn't want to work. Okay, that's fine. Menu, folder, Explorer, RC switch. Yeah, the RC switch is back. Control switch, I didn't set it actually. Sorry guys, go control switch. Okay. Shut down the model. Yes. Okay guys, so once everything is done, we check everything. I will show you that everything is working. So switch on the model. Yes. Receiver are bound.
Warning, low receiver voltage.
Yeah, this battery.
4.46 volts.
This battery is a bit low. I need to charge this battery anyway. If you can see, the servo is working. Everything is working. That's it. That's how you set. Very important. Make sure you have in mind which one is the receiver 1 and which one is the receiver 2. Also later on I will connect the Cortex Pro to this system, and it's very important that you know which one is 1, which one is 2. That's for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Sorry for all